Peeper and I are off just off down to Wild Woods to go and have a forage. We'll have a fly while we're there. We're going to go and have a look for some skeletonized, I think they call it, skeletonized oak. I have an idea that I want to do for my kitchen, so I thought I'd combine having a hunt with a hunt. The light in these woods is magical. I mean, it's lovely. Every now and again, not now I've started filming, we get like a falling of orange leaves and it's like autumnal snow. It's lovely. I'm going to film for a little bit and hope that we get some. And then I can edit the waffle out, can't I? I thought so. Excuse the cold sore. I've been stressed. Very stressed. And this is my healing place. So beautiful. So beautiful. Very lucky. Lovely autumnal golden days. We've got lots of, this is the kind of stuff I had in my head. This kind of skeletonized oak. Hey Peeper. But I've got specific size in mind and shape, so hopefully it exists. I wouldn't want to take anything off a tree if I didn't have to. Rather take the stuff that's down if it's seasoned and good enough to use. But that's the gist I'm looking for. Oh, wow, look how beautiful you look, Peeper, in that sunshine. So this is exactly what I'm looking for. I'm not really in the mood or don't really have the stuff on me to climb, but they look like deer's antlers. This skeletonized oak, it means it's fallen all the way along. You can see the trunk and up at the top. I mean, it doesn't do justice on the camera, but I think I've found the spot. I think I've hit gold, or hit wood. Oh mate, he's so lovely. Let's go flying, shall we, Peeper? Now we know what we need to harvest, we'll fly you and come back later to collect the wood. What do you think? Yeah. And breathe. And breathe. And smile. Oh, it's so lovely. What a healing place. It looks like the top of a totem pole. It's so lovely. You can see Jemima. This is Jemima. She's the fairy of Fairy Forest, or one of them. She's got a little lantern on her knee that lights up like a flame. It's a solar lantern, it lights up like a flame when when it gets dark. She guides us through.
Oh, lovely. Lovely. Have a nice day.
You too, thank you.
Bye. Bye-bye.